children. A very good morning to all of you. I hope you all are safe and happy at your home. Children, are you doing your homeworks properly? I hope you are doing well. Are you writing your CW part? Yes. As a good children, you are doing your works properly. Children, till now, how many lessons we finished, children? Till now, we have finished lesson number 1, lesson number 2, 3. Up to 3 lessons we finished, children. And also we started our lesson number 4. What is the name of the lesson? Yes, helping and sharing. As a good children, not only children, as a human being, you have to maintain help and share. Sharing and helping to your parents. First of all, you have to help your parents, your friends, your neighbors, your sisters, cousins, each and everyone. You have to help and you have to share your things with others. That is a human being. What we have to do, children, always help and share your things with others. Understood? That is our lesson, helping and sharing. In this lesson, what is the main character in that, children? Yes, Appu. Who is the main character? Appu. Appu, one fine day, what he wants to do, children? He wants to eat. What he wants to eat? What he wants to eat? Anybody can guess, children? Already half of the lesson we finished from that last class. Now I am explaining. Appu, what he wants to eat, children? Yes, carrot halwa. What he wants to eat? Carrot halwa. So for that, what we did, children? Yes, who will prepare carrot halwa? Is it possible to prepare that carrot halwa? No. So he wants to get some carrots. So who will prepare, children? Yes, grandma. Who will prepare the carrot halwa? Grandma. Who will prepare, children? Yes, grandma. Her grandma will prepare the grandmother. Who is grandma means who is the children? She is grandmother of Appu. So Appu wants to eat. What he wants to eat, children? Carrot halwa. So who will prepare the carrot halwa? Grandmother. So what he did, children? He gets some seeds. Which seeds, children? Carrot seeds. Which type of seeds he got, children? He got carrot seeds. From the carrot seeds, what he did? He planted. What he did, children? Planted. And every day he watered the plants. Watered the seeds. So who will get, children? Who will grow? So the carrot seeds grows up into a carrot plants. So every day he watered the plants. So all that seeds turned into a, what he did, children? He planted a carrot seeds. He planted a carrot seeds. From the planted seeds, what he got, children? Carrot plants he got. Every day, he planted and he watered the carrot seeds. Automatically, carrot plants are growing outside. So, which type of carrots he got, children? A fused carrot. Which type of carrot? A fused carrot. What is the meaning of fused carrot, children? Very big type of. From your textbook, you will get, children, big carrot he got that. So he wants to, now last time final what he got, children? Carrot. He fused carrot he got. So he tries to pull out. So what he did, children? After planted, who grows up, children? Carrot seeds grows up like a carrot plants. The carrot plants, it automatically changed to a fused carrot. Fused carrot he turned to, he tries to pull out. But it cannot pull out. What happened, children? From the carrot plants, he got fused carrot. He tries to pull out. What he did, children? What he did? He tries to So what he did, children? He requested. To whom he requested, children? To whom he requested? See, observe from this. To whom he requested? Who is there? See, try. So after that, he requested to pull down. To whom he asked, children? Appu requested to Tina. So both are trying to pull down. What they did, children? Both are trying to pull down. Appu pulls carrot, then Tina pulls the Appu. But they try to pull down. They cannot pull down. So after that, Tina requested. So Tina requested to whom, children? Yes, Tina requested to Raja. To whom, children? Raja. So Appu requested to Tina. Tina requested to Raja to pull down the cat. Is it possible to get pulled out, children? No. They tried to pull down. Then automatically Tina requested to Raja. Raja, will you help to me to pull out the carrot? Then who will prepare the carrot halwa? Yes, grandma will prepare the carrot halwa. So Raja, Appu pulled the carrot, Tina pulled the Appu, then Raja pulled to Tina. They pulled out. They cannot pull out the cat. So again they requested to whom, children? They whom to requested? Yes, Minnie. So they requested to Minnie to pull out. So Appu pulled the carrot, Tina pulled the Appu, Raja pulled the Tina, then Minnie pulled the Raja. They tried to pull down the carrot, but they cannot pull down. So last and final, what happened, children? Again, Minnie requested to Pom Pom. Who is that Pom Pom, children? Who is that Pom Pom? Yes, Pom Pom is a pet monkey. Who is that, children? Pet monkey. See, Pom Pom, who is Pom Pom? Pom Pom is a name of monkey, pet monkey of. Okay, children. So last and final, what happened? Appu pulled the carrot, Tina pulled the Appu, Raja pulled the Tina, and again Minnie pulled the Raja, then Pom Pom pulled to the Minnie. So who is Pom Pom, children? Yes, monkey. So everyone is trying to pull down. Last and final, what happened, children? Yes, the huge carrot pulled out. What happened, children? They tried to pull down together. So last and final, what happened? The huge carrot comes out from the land. So out of that, what they done, children? They together tried to pull down. Last and final, they got the huge carrot from the land. What they done, children? They together they carry the carrot to the home, and to whom they gave, children? They gave to the grandmother. Whose grandmother? Whose grandmother, children? Whose grandmother? Yes, Appu's grandmother. Then grandmother, what she prepared, children? She prepared carrot halwa. Which type of carrot halwa, children? Tasty carrot halwa. So that is the story from these children. So once again I am repeating the same thing. One day Appu wants to eat carrot halwa. A cute boy, Appu wants to eat carrot halwa. So what he wants to do, children? He planted some carrot seeds from the market. So he planted the seeds and every day waters the plant, and who will come out, children? One carrot seed. From the carrot seed, small carrot plants came out. Okay, it grows every day. He used to water the plant, so a huge carrot come outside. From last and final, what has happened, children? A huge carrot much of big carrot he got from the land. But what happened, children? He tries to pull down, he cannot pull down. So he requested Tina to pull down the carrot. So Appu pulled the carrot, Tina pulled the Appu, but it cannot pull down. So Tina requested to Minnie to try to pull down. So Minnie helped the Appu and Tina. They cannot pull down. So last and final, whom requested? Minnie requested to Raja to try to pull down. So they cannot pull down. So what happened, children? Pulled out the carrot outside. So Minnie and Raja, Tina and Appu, they requested to Pom Pom. They requested to Pom Pom, will you please help to pull out the carrot outside? Appu's grandma will prepare tasty carrot halwa for us. Okay, so last and final, Appu, Tina, Raja, Minnie and Pom Pom. Pom Pom is a pet monkey. Okay, so these all are together, to pull down the carrot outside. Last and pulled out. Last and final, the huge carrot comes outside. So what they did, children? If you use carrot, your children, they can't carry. So they try to take to the Appu's home. Who is there in Appu's home, children? Yes, Appu's grandmother. They give it to the grandmother. So whose grandmother? Appu's grandmother prepared tasty carrot halwa. She prepared the carrot halwa. She served to all of them. All of them to whom, children? Appu, Tina, Raja, Minnie and Pom Pom. They ate the carrot halwa. They felt so happy to eat. Okay, they all have shared it. Understood, children? That is the story of days of. Again, I will read this lesson from starting to end. Okay, children? Once observe from this board, children, 2 minutes. I am giving 2 minutes to observe each and everything from the board, children. As a good children, observe properly. Very good. Children, once again, how to read the lesson I am giving. Reading part to you, children. See, observe carefully. Appu loves carrot halwa. He gets some carrot seeds. Appu is saying, if I grow carrots, I know Grandma will make carrot halwa for me. I think I will plant these seeds. Appu planted the seeds. He waters them every day. Most of the seeds grow into baby carrots. Do you know what happens to the seeds? It grows and grows and grows. It grows into a huge carrot. Appu tries to pull the carrot out. Appu pulls and pulls. He cannot pull it out. He calls Tina. Appu is requesting to Tina, please help me pull this carrot out. Then Grandma can make halwa for us. Tina pulls Appu and Appu pulls the carrot. They pull and pull, but they cannot pull the carrot out. Then Tina calls Minnie. Tina requesting to Minnie, do help us pull this carrot out. Appu's grandma will make carrot halwa for us. Now Minnie pulls Tina, Tina pulls Appu, and Appu pulls the carrot. Then they pull and pull and pull, but they cannot pull the carrot out. Then Minnie calls Raja, Raja pulls Minnie, and Minnie pulls Tina, and Tina pulls Appu, and Appu pulls the carrot. They pull and pull, but they cannot pull the carrot out. Whom they call now? They call Pom Pom, their pet monkey. Pom Pom pulls Raja, and Raja pulls Minnie, and Minnie pulls Tina, and Tina pulls Appu, and Appu pulls the carrot. They pull and pull and pull, and out comes the carrot. Together they carry the carrot home and give it to Grandma. She makes carrot halwa. All of them share it. Yummy! The halwa is very tasty. The moral of the story is, children, is it possible to pull out only by Appu? No. These many children are helped to him to pull out the carrot. Who made the carrot halwa? Grandma. Grandma means what, children? Grandmother. Whose grandmother? Yes, Appu's grandmother. So, who makes carrot halwa? Yes, Appu's grandma prepared tasty carrot halwa to Appu. Is he ate only one boy? No, he shared to all his friends. Okay, he given to all of them. How he helping and sharing together, no children? This is the moral of the story. Each and everyone should help to others and sharing your things with others. Understood, children? This is the lesson. So, will you start? Read and understand part, children? Okay. See this, children? Fill in the blanks with the correct words from the brackets. Appu loves. What he loves, children? Is he loves halwa or seeds? Is he loves seeds, children? No, he loves halwa. Which type of halwa is he loves, children? Carrot halwa. That one you have to write in the blank. Halwa. What he loves, children? He gets some carrot dash. What for carrot plants he got or seeds, children? He gets some carrot seeds. Yes. This one you have to write in the blank, children. What he got for get the carrot plant? Yes, he gets some carrot seeds. He dashed the seeds. Is he eats the plant? Eats the seeds or plants the seeds, children? Yes, he plants. He dashes them every day. He pulls them every day or waters. Yes, this one you have to write into the blank, children. Will you write in the blank? Yes, he waters. What he did, children? He waters them every day. One seed grows into a dash carrot, children. Answer I said, children. One seed grows into a huge carrot. Which type of carrot is he got, children? Huge carrot. Huge carrot means very big carrot. The children dash the carrot to grandma. Carry or pull the carrot to grandma, children. They carry to grandma. So they together they carry the carrot home and give to grandma. So what they did, children? They carry. So what you have to write in the blank? Carry the carrot to grandma. Will you write, children? Very good. Here also we'll write, children, these names. Appu. Appu next who? Tina. Tina next Millie. Minnie next Raja. Raja next Pom Pom. Will you write, children? Very good. Once again, these read word wise. Will you read, children? Carrot, parrot, carry, Mary, cherry. Fall, wall, ball, tall, hall, and small. Race, mess, press, class, pass, and grass. Carrot, parrot, carry, Mary, and cherry. So like this you have to observe properly. Understood, children? Very good. Next class we will explain these all remaining part also, children. Will you do that? Very good. You have to read from this lesson. Already how to read I explained to you, children. You have to take your textbook and read each and every paragraph, important words, baby carrots, like that you have to underline and write it to your rough notebook. Will you write, children? As a good children, you have to do that. Bye, children.